Berry Fab handheld edition. We're going mobile today. This is a 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. It's got some EcoBoost, something 3-cylinder. I don't know, something small. But I'll go ahead and start by getting the hood popped. You got to pull this thing twice. Don't know why that's important or why they decided to do it that way, but they did. Let's see. How does this? Oh, okay. Prop rod. Where's it? No. All right. Here, I'm going to flip us around. So here it is. I've seen some of these with engine covers. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if it's an option or what, but some are covered. I'm surprised they're all not, just because of this. But okay. So oil filler 5W20, which I think is what I already have. I hope it is. But it should be, this is the first oil change on this one. So everything should be clean and nothing rusty and nothing stuck. And hopefully that's true, but we'll see. So we'll get underneath it and check back in then. This is definitely going to be a tight filming environment, but so this cover has to come off, and up here we've got a push pin there. There's one on the other side, and then there's these T30s. So a bunch of these, like 12 or 13 of them. So all that's got to come out, and then this plate should come off, and that should give us pretty clear access to the oil filter and the oil pan. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out and see what we got afterwards. The cover's off. There's a little tab, this tab, that you kind of got to work it around. You'll see how that works when you pull all the bolts out. But here's our oil pan drain plug. It's plastic oil pan, and the filter, little guy right there. So everything's readily accessible. I'm gonna get the oil pan, drain pan under here and see how tight this is. I might have to put some pliers on it. I don't know that I can get it by hand, but shouldn't require much force considering it's plastic. But we'll get set up and we'll be right back. Yeah, I don't like that angle. Let's try this. Nope.
Is it square?
No, it's just like it's just got like a blade.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, there we go. Got it loose. I just don't want to get too, All right, I think we're about to pop. Yep, it's backing out. Oh. Okay.
Does it come all the way out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm just going easy with it because it's being pretty polite right now, actually. All right, that, and there we go. So I've been getting messages from Ford because, it's got the whole Ford Pass and it's reporting vehicle.
It's not green.
Uh-oh. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
We got some room. A full drain pan, boys. About had a catastrophe.
Mm-hmm. Something there. I don't know if it was in the way or not.
Must have been something. Clogging up the hole, maybe. But anyway, it's been, I've been getting messages and stuff saying your vehicle is in need of maintenance. It's 5% left oil life.
Oh, so it's like Bluetooth in or linked into their system electronically.
Yeah, and so it keeps asking because I never in the app, the Ford
Yeah.
Pass app, I never specified what my preferred dealership was
Right.
because I don't have one. I don't prefer any dealership.
Yeah.
And so it's been wanting me to tell it which dealership I want to schedule my service. So
My house.
yeah, I'm gonna reset it. Reset the oil life. I assume that'll let them know that it's been reset. Um, but yeah, if it lets me like free enter something, I'm just gonna put Berry Fab. All right, so let's get our oil filter here. I'm gonna try to set the. I know I'm moving around a lot, so just bear with me. All right, so let's see. All right. I'm gonna make sure my bearings are correct, and then I'm actually turning it to the left. All right, it's turning. There we go. There is a little wiring harness up here that I'm being careful. This guy. I don't know if that's an oil level sender. It's right there at the filter. All right. Look at there, look at there. Interesting. Managed to change the oil without dumping it all over myself. Maybe I'm not too. Normally I like to complain about, for any of y'all who've watched the Acadia, GMC Acadia oil change video, you know that I like to complain about oil filter placement. This one is actually not too bad, even though it does stick straight out the front. All right, just take a quick peek here. Yeah, gasket is still on the oil filter. All right, let me get this guy snugged up. Yeah, thank you. Get okay, that's good and hand tight. Still good over here. Okay, well, we'll go back up top and fill it. Make sure we're not leaking. So I checked a couple of websites. One of them said 5.5 quart capacity. Another one said 6.6. So I looked in the manual in the capacity section. It does say 6.6. So I'm a quart low on capacity. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in, make a quick run to O'Reilly, and then top it off. So we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Got everything buttoned up. Got the cover back on the bottom. Nothing's leaking. Looking good. We got to do the oil life reset. So I'm going to try to figure this out. It don't like that the key is not in the vicinity. All right, hang on. Now we got the key. So push the start button without pushing the brakes. Get a YouTube copyright strike. All right. I know all this. I know all this. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so change engine oil. So let's see. I'm going to the menu. Let's see. Maybe settings. Yeah, there we go. Oil life. Hold OK to reset. All right, cool. Good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and let it start now. Don't see any indicator on here about oil pressure, but I'm assuming there is some. It sounds normal. Let's see. There's tire pressure. Nope. Not seeing a oil pressure option. But whatever. I think we're done.